Yes, I did something with my hair. Alright, hey, I'm gonna show you how to make chocolate chip banana bread. Step number 0 is to go wash your hands, because washing your hands is the most considerate thing to do when you're handling food. Alright, now that we finished step number 0, here is the list of ingredients you'll need. I'll give you a little close-up. Okay, so I'm going to be putting all my wet ingredients in this medium bowl. So that's including the egg, the mashed bananas, the vanilla extract, and the melted coconut oil. Same thing goes for this giganto bowl right here. All the dry ingredients are going to go in here, and then later we're going to put all the wet stuff in this big old bowl. So this is a 1/2 cup, and you know, math. 1 part brown and 2 parts white. Pinch of salt, teaspoon of baking soda. My mom said to use baking powder too. Maybe the baking powder will rise it. I guess so. I don't know how much to put in there, so maybe another teaspoon of that. Just a smidge. Okay. There's all the dry ingredients. We're going to mix. Okay, wet ingredients. Open them from the bottom because it'll be less stringy. Throw these in the trash. Or compost if you're into composting. You know, some people are so extra when it comes to mashing something. Like they'll use the potato masher, but I'm gonna use a good old fork because, yeah. Compost the shell or throw it away because vanilla extract is the ketchup of baking. This guy from earlier, now we're gonna take the wet ingredients and pour it into the dry. Okay, last but not least, the chocolate chips. Just gonna pour, I guess it looks like about like 2 handfuls. Give it a mix. Alright, so I'm gonna pour all this into here. Maybe a couple more chocolate chips on the top. And put this baby in the oven for 1 hour. You know what they don't tell you in the cooking shows after this? You basically have to clean within that time being. And maybe, you know, lick the spoon or something. Look how good it looks! Thank you all for watching. Share this recipe with your friends. Try it out too. It's really good. I like to make these for little gifts. If your bananas are turning brown, make banana bread. Cue to end card.